Hi everyone, I'm Rajan Chaudhary from Manzil Institute for IELTS. The sentence writing rule. Guys, punctuation marks are symbols that are used to aid the clarity and comprehension of written language. Some common punctuation marks are the period, comma, question mark, exclamation, and apostrophe, question marks, and hyphen. Punctuation mark symbol definition examples. First of all, I will talk about apostrophe. An apostrophe is used as a substitute for a missing letter or letters in a word, as in the contraction cannot is equal to can't, to show the possessive case, Jean's room, and in the plural of letters. Some numbers and abbreviations, like a group of years, no longer require an atmosphere. For example, the 1950s or the 90s. I can't see the cat's tail. Do your eyes and cross your T's? Hundreds of years. Is it? If I talk about colon, a colon is used before a list or quote. A colon is used separate hours and minutes. A colon is used to separate elements of mathematical ratio. There are many punctuation marks. Period, comma, colon, and others. The time is 2:15. The ratio of girls to boys 3:2. If I talk about comma, guys, a comma is used to separate phrases or items in a list. She bought milk, comma, eggs, comma, and bread. Is it? If I talk about dash, a dash is used to separate parts of a sentence. A dash is also known as an M dash because it is the length of a printed letter M dash. It is longer than a hyphen. If I talk about ellipsis, an ellipsis, three dots, indicates that part of the text has been intentionally been left out. 0, 2, 4, dot, comma, 100. Exclamation point. An exclamation point is used to show excitement or emphasis. It is cold! Exclamation. If we talk about hyphen, a hyphen is used between parts of a compound word or name. It is also used to split a word by syllables to fit on a line of text. The 16-year-old girl is a full-time student. 16-year-old girl is a full-time student. Is it? Parentheses. Parentheses are curved lines used to separate explanations or qualifying statements within a sentence. Bracket. Each one of the curved line is called a parenthesis. The part in the parenthesis is called a parenthetical remark. The sentence, bracket start, like others on this page, bracket close, contains a parenthetical remark. Okay? If I talk about period, a period is used to note the end of a declarative sentence. I see the house, question mark. Is it? Question mark. So, for more details, you can subscribe this channel. For more new lessons, you can also subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.